10 things that ruin a first impression immediately. First impressions are crucial. In mere seconds, people form opinions about us that can be challenging to shake off. Whether it's a job interview, a date, or a social gathering, making a positive first impression is paramount. However, there are numerous factors that can undermine our efforts, often without us even realizing it. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 10 common pitfalls that can ruin a first impression immediately. Lack of authenticity. Authenticity reigns supreme when it comes to crafting that unforgettable first impression. When we exude genuine sincerity, we effortlessly pave the way for trust and meaningful connections. However, veiling our true selves behind a mask or striving excessively to dazzle can backfire, leaving others feeling skeptical and distant. The discerning radar of human intuition easily spots any hint of insincerity, making it imperative to stay true to our authentic selves in every interaction. Embracing our true identity not only fosters genuine connections but also sets the stage for lasting impressions that resonate deeply with those we encounter. Moving from the importance of first impressions, let's delve into the first factor that can undermine them. Poor body language. In the realm of first impressions, nonverbal communication holds unparalleled significance. Actions truly speak louder than words, and subtle gestures like slouching, evading eye contact, or incessant fidgeting can inadvertently broadcast feelings of unease or insecurity, inadvertently undermining the impression we strive to project. Conversely, adopting a poised posture, engaging in steady eye contact, and delivering a firm handshake radiate confidence and competence, instantly elevating our perceived professionalism. The art of mastering our body language transcends mere physicality. It serves as a powerful tool for shaping others' perceptions of us. By conscientiously monitoring our nonverbal cues, we wield the ability to curate a captivating presence that captivates and inspires confidence in those around us. While authenticity lays the groundwork for a favorable impression, our nonverbal cues also play a pivotal role. Overbearing behavior. Though confidence is undeniably appealing, venturing into the realm of arrogance or dominance can prove counterproductive. Instances such as interrupting others, monopolizing discussions, or excessively flaunting achievements not only fail to impress but also risk estranging those around us. The delicate equilibrium between self-assurance and humility is paramount, as it reflects our capacity to acknowledge and value the input of others. By striking this balance, we convey a deep-seated respect for the diverse perspectives and contributions within any interaction. It is through this harmonious blend of confidence and humility that we cultivate an atmosphere of mutual admiration and collaboration, fostering connections that endure beyond the initial encounter. Now that we've discussed the impact of body language, let's examine how our behavior can influence others' perceptions. Inadequate preparation. Efficient preparation serves as the linchpin for crafting a favorable first impression across all scenarios. Whether navigating the terrain of a pivotal job interview or seamlessly networking at a corporate event, neglecting to delve into crucial research about the company or industry can inadvertently convey a lack of genuine interest or dedication. Similarly, arriving tardily or ill-prepared not only reflects poorly on our time management skills but also signifies a disregard for the schedules and expectations of others. By investing ample time and energy into thorough preparation, we showcase our unwavering professionalism and unwavering commitment to excellence. Such meticulous preparation not only amplifies our credibility but also underscores our capacity to proactively anticipate and address the needs of any situation, thereby laying the groundwork for a memorable and impactful initial impression. Transitioning from preparation, let's examine how our attitude can either reinforce or undermine our efforts to make a favorable impression. Negative attitude. Attitude is contagious, and a negative demeanor can quickly sour a first impression. Constant complaining, criticizing others, or expressing pessimism can repel potential connections and opportunities. Conversely, maintaining a positive and optimistic outlook can leave a lasting impression of enthusiasm and resilience. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude and positivity can significantly enhance our interactions with others. Moving from attitude, let's turn our attention to the outward signals we send through our choice of attire. Inappropriate dressing. The garments we choose serve as a vivid reflection of our individuality and level of professionalism. A mismatch between attire and occasion, such as donning casual wear at a formal event or overdressing for a casual gathering, can significantly erode our perceived credibility. Striking the right balance involves not only dressing in accordance with the context but also infusing our personal style into our ensemble. Attending to grooming and selecting attire meticulously not only signals self-respect but also demonstrates our regard for the individuals and setting we engage with. In essence, our clothing becomes a canvas through which we paint our first impression, and by meticulously curating our appearance to align with the occasion while staying true to ourselves, we fortify the foundation for a lasting and positive impact. Shifting from attire, let's consider the role of empathy in establishing meaningful connections from the outset. Lack of empathy. Empathy stands as the cornerstone of genuine human connection, encompassing the capacity to comprehend and resonate with the emotions of others. Its pivotal role in cultivating trust and rapport cannot be overstated. When we fall short in exhibiting empathy, whether through dismissing the concerns of others or displaying indifference, we risk being perceived as detached or callous. Conversely, actively engaging in empathetic behaviors, such as attentive listening, validating others' viewpoints, and extending support or encouragement, becomes the catalyst for forging profound and authentic connections. By attuning ourselves to the emotions of those we encounter and responding with genuine understanding and compassion, we not only nurture bonds built on mutual respect and empathy but also imprint a lasting and favorable impression that resonates far beyond the initial interaction. Thus, embracing empathy not only enriches our relationships but also paves the way for profound and meaningful encounters that leave an indelible mark on both parties involved. Now that we've touched on the significance of empathy, let's delve into the importance of clear and consistent communication in initial interactions. Inconsistent communication. Effective communication stands as the bedrock of a compelling first impression. The ability to express oneself clearly and succinctly cannot be overstated, as rambling or disjointed speech risks muddling the message and sowing seeds of doubt in the minds of listeners. Conversely, vagueness or cryptic language breeds distrust and leaves room for misinterpretation, further eroding the foundation of credibility. Therefore, it is imperative to master the art of concise and articulate communication, ensuring that ideas are conveyed with precision and confidence. By honing this skill, we not only bolster our credibility but also foster an atmosphere of trust and understanding. In essence, the ability to communicate effectively serves as a powerful tool for shaping perceptions and forging meaningful connections from the outset. Thus, let us strive to wield this tool with finesse, recognizing its pivotal role in leaving a lasting and favorable impression in all our interactions. From communication, let's turn our focus to the fundamental principle of respect in shaping first impressions. Lack of respect. Respect forms the very cornerstone of every interaction, wielding the power to shape the trajectory of a first impression. When respect is absent, the foundation upon which connections are built stands perilously fragile. Acts such as interrupting others, diminishing their perspectives, or breaching their boundaries not only inflict immediate harm but also sow seeds of discord that may prove irreparable. Therefore, it behoves us to approach every encounter with a steadfast commitment to treating others with unwavering courtesy and consideration. Regardless of their status or background, each individual merits acknowledgement and dignity, forming the bedrock upon which a culture of mutual respect flourishes. By extending this fundamental courtesy to all, we not only lay the groundwork for enduring relationships but also engender an environment where every voice is valued and every contribution honored. Thus, let us cultivate a spirit of respect in all our interactions, recognizing its profound capacity to foster connection and harmony from the very first encounter. Moving from respect, let's consider the final factor that can influence the trajectory of a first impression: follow-up actions. Failure to follow up. Continuing the dialogue after an initial interaction is pivotal in cementing a favorable impression and cultivating enduring connections. Whether it's extending gratitude with a follow-up note post-job interview or fulfilling promises made during the interaction, these actions carry weight in signaling dedication and reliability. Neglecting these gestures may inadvertently convey disinterest or a lack of dependability. Thus, seizing the opportunity to follow up not only underscores professionalism but also reaffirms your steadfast commitment to nurturing meaningful relationships. By taking the proactive step of extending the conversation beyond the initial encounter, you not only solidify the positive imprint left but also lay the groundwork for future collaboration and camaraderie. In essence, the art of follow-up transcends mere formality. It serves as a tangible demonstration of your investment in fostering genuine and enduring connections. Making a positive first impression requires careful consideration of numerous factors, from authenticity and body language to preparation and communication. By avoiding common pitfalls such as lack of authenticity, poor body language, and negative attitude, we can increase our chances of making a favorable impression in any situation. By cultivating self-awareness, empathy, and respect, we can forge meaningful connections that endure beyond the initial encounter. Remember, the impression we leave on others can have a lasting impact on our personal and professional relationships, so it's essential to strive for excellence in every interaction. Join the conversation and stay connected by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel today. Your engagement fuels our community and ensures you never miss out on valuable content. Don't wait, become a part of our vibrant community now.